Sugar beet is a major source of sugar besides sugarcane. It is an important economic crop for sugar production. Sugar beet was initially used mainly as a vegetable. It was not until the 18th century that sugar beet varieties with high sugar content were cultivated. The success of sugar production from sugar beet greatly promoted the development of the sugar industry. Next, let's look at the cultivation, harvesting, and sugar production process of sugar beet. Land preparation. Sowing in early May. Leaves begin to grow in late May. In June, sugar beet leaves increase and grow rapidly. Weeding and controlling weeds by cultivation. Irrigation. Harvesting at the right time in September. The sugar production process from sugar beet. Washing and crushing the sugar beet. The sugar in the crushed beet diffuses into the water to obtain diffusion juice. The separated fiber is high-quality animal feed. The purified juice is obtained by the double carbonation method. Evaporation and concentration. The syrup reaches the appropriate saturation. Using centrifugal force to separate molasses. Drying the wet sugar crystals. Packaging.